Hello everybody, my name is Joshua Winkens and welcome back to another video. Now this video is a review on the Beats Solo 3 Wireless. Now they do cost about $300 on Apple.com, however I got them on Best Buy for about $260, so there was a little bit of a bargain. Let's go ahead and talk about what's actually inside the box of the headphones. They do, first of all, come with the actual headphones. They come with a carrying case and a little carabiner hook on them. So what that just does is you can hook it to your backpack, your bag, when you're on the go and traveling. It also comes with a 3.5mm remote talk cable, and what that just does is it makes it wired headphones if you don't want to use the wireless part of it. It also comes with a universal USB charging cable to obviously charge your headphones. Now it also comes at about 7.8 inches and 7.5 ounces, so not super big and bulky headphones. It also comes up to a 40-hour battery life, so it definitely lasts you a really long time. And it also comes with a new Apple W1 chip in it, which that just does, it makes it easier to connect your headphones to your Apple devices. All you need to do is at least have your device running macOS Sierra, iOS 10, watchOS 3. Once you at least fulfill those requirements, go ahead and make sure your device has Bluetooth turned on. Hold down the power button on your headphones until you see a little box appear on your headphones. Go ahead, hit connect, and done. Now you have your headphones actually connected to your Apple device, so if you're a big Apple user, you probably want to go ahead and get these. Now I did get, as you guys can see right here, I did actually get the gloss black. So, I know people say it's fingerprints, more prone to fingerprints, and yeah, it kind of is, but as long as I wash it off, I haven't seen much of a problem with it. It also comes with a whole assortment of colors, which is white, I think white, red, other kinds of blacks, gold, silver, whatever. Those will obviously be up on screen, so if I missed any of those, you'll be able to see them. Now, I did buy them on the ear, not over the ear. That was just because I felt like the studios, not because more of the price, but because when I put the studios on, I felt like after a couple minutes, it started giving me a headache. That's obviously a personal preference. I'm not saying studios cause headaches, but for me, it kind of caused a headache for me. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this little headphone review of the Beats Solo Studio 3 Wireless. And if you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, go ahead and leave a like on this video. And if you guys are watching this on Facebook, go ahead and give me a follow on Facebook. And comment down below, what do you think of the Beats Solo 3 Wireless headphones? Do you think they're worth it to buy? Or do you think $300 is too much? Anyways, guys, I will see you guys next Sunday. Like always, peace!